Hi, everyone. Mari Mendoza here. It is February 6th. It's right in the full moon. And this is just a quick update. I have my Egyptian healing rods here. There's an image behind me of the infinite light, the one that is coming in. And so just a quick update. I wanted to check in with everyone, and we are at the beginning of an incredible cycle, the beginning of a cycle of 13 moons. I was recently in Sedona in a beautiful crystalline retreat, a shamanic retreat, and the star elders came in at that moment and during the retreat and talked to us about the next 13 moons and how important that is. This information has been coming from many different places, including also the flyby of the comet, the green comet that has arrived here after 50,000 years, and we will not see this again for many, many, many eons. And so it is the bringing forth, the heralding of a new world, a new earth. And it's also a reminder for us that we are in a new cycle. This moment is so important. And so I want you to just allow yourself, if you're familiar with my meditations, there are many meditations on my website, marimendoza.com. Go and check them out. There are new moon meditations. There's some full moon meditations. Whenever you do them, it's a wonderful time to begin fresh and new, and you will step right into the energy. So this moment of the 13 moons, each full moon this year will be a powerful, powerful upgrade. When I was in Guatemala many years ago with the shaman, one of the Guatemalan shamans there on Lake Atitlan, we had a fire ceremony under the new moon and then the full moon. And she talked to us about how important it is to open our gaze at night to the luminous quality of the moon. And in the Vedic traditions and many other traditions, the connection to the light of the moon is really important. So we begin this year with the focus and concentration on the illumination. We're starting in February because January was a tremendous upgrade. We're still moving through Mercury retrograde. There were a lot of energies that were needing to clear before we could really move forward for the new moon of January into this moment of full moon. I think it's so appropriate that I went on retreat and was so filled with munai. In the Quechua tradition, that means love. It was an incredible connection of community. And many people there have been working with Don Oscar, the universal shaman, beloved mentor, maestro, who has carried these traditions forward. Many teachers of that tradition. If you're interested in learning about that, the heart of the healer, if you want to learn the deepest parts, but also follow here because I will be doing my own teaching, which is a combination, a weaving of the many shamanic traditions, the tantra, the sound and crystalline that I've been so, so grateful to have been given many, many tools to navigate this time. And so Cosmic Wisdom Sacred Earth is the portal for that, and will be coming forward with teachings to weave all of the multidimensional energies together. So this image here is one of the images for the cards, the Cosmic Wisdom Sacred Earth cards, and it is the image of one. And so I want you to just gaze at the image there and take a breath. The Avesa breath is the heartbeat of the cosmos. The heartbeat of Avesa is the breath of the divine. Take a breath. Ave, we hail to the divine. Breathe in. Hands on your heart if you like. Sa. The Sa is a Sanskrit breath. It is a surrender. This moment, like no other, is a moment for surrender, to trust yourself, to remember who you are. So breathing in, and I want you to just allow yourself to begin to connect to the energy of the full moon. If you are at night out underneath the full moon, open your whole entire being, open to receive, and say a prayer. Open as if you are opening into your heart, breathing in. And then open and gaze and allow the light to flow in through you as if you are drinking in the luminosity of the moon through your eyes. It's really important. It upgrades the nervous system. And, you know, it's very much like this image here that is the luminosity of receiving the one infinite light, as if you are standing under a portal of light, receiving the codes, the transmissions of the infinite. Take a breath. The beautiful energy as we step into the harmonic and the star coding at this moment of this moon, the 13 moons. 13 is a really powerful number. In ascended numerology, it is the 12. It is cosmic numerology. It is the 12 plus the infinite. So it is the numbers on a clock plus the infinite in the center. And so as you open and allow yourself to take a breath again. Drop all of the energy, the resistance, all of the thinking, all of the ways that you might try to figure it out, and just let yourself relax into this moment. We are in full speed ahead, and so it's important to be really present. Notice your body, notice your physical vessel, and bring the energy of love to yourself. Take a breath. Smile. As you allow yourself to settle into your presence, into this moment, open to what it means in this moment, the one, the infinite, as if from your heart you are sending up an antenna, as if you breathe in, bring this energy into the temple of the heart, the beautiful divine lotus that is your heart, and then send, almost like you're sending up an antenna connection up, out of the top of your head, up and into the infinite, as if you're sending an antenna up. Just tilt your head back, close your eyes for a moment, breathe. And consciously connect. That's the important thing, is consciously connecting to the energy of the infinite. See, I'm getting a little bit like, woo, because I'm already feeling the energies. I'm working with Egyptian healing rods. These are powerful. These are meteorite. Libyan space glass is one of my favorite stones, and it's cosmic energy. I've always been a cosmic being, as many of you out there are. And yet we must also balance in our body, honor our bodies. We are preparing to go through a tremendous upgrade this year for the next 13 moons. So take care of yourself, drink a lot of water, get rest, prepare and breathe. Remember that all that is unfolding now, you know deep within your heart, you know. So it's time to trust yourself. All the pieces are coming together. Everything that you've gathered over the last few years, the things that you've released, give yourself the trust and celebrate that you are here now and ready to move forward. Stay tuned here, because I will be announcing, some events, and I would absolutely love it to have all of you come together with me and the people that we are inviting to co-create beautiful ceremonies. As we come together, we connect into the knowing of who we are, the vast beings of light that we are. We came here to help and assist this evolutionary upgrade, and it starts with this 13 moon cycle. And so I celebrate you. I am most grateful for all of you who have sent me messages, who have just brought your energy, your love, and your kind messages that have reminded me that you are out there, and I'm so grateful. I walk steadily, carefully, and lovingly towards this light, and I do this arm in arm with all of you that are also here doing the same. And so take a breath, and as you breathe, tune into this image next to me, and as you breathe, open to receive it. Take one more breath, hands to heart. Breathe in. Allow this light to pour through you. Open, open, open. Open to receive. Close your eyes. Let yourself sit with this for a moment. Be in silence. Receive, receive, receive. Notice where you hold energy in your body and let go. I am so honored and grateful for this moment now. It is finished in beauty and sealed with love. Remember this month of love. How can you connect into that? And remember, you are love. Radiate love. Be love. Choose love first over anything. And hold that frequency, that energy, so that as we move forward, no matter what's happening, choose love. Until next time, I honor the light within. It is finished in beauty. Namaste. And so it is.